Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you the exact steps to correctly install and activate WooCommerce on your WordPress site for free in 2025. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, hover over Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type WooCommerce. The official plugin by Automatic will appear. Click the Install Now button next to it. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Activate. Click it to activate the WooCommerce plugin. Immediately after activation, the WooCommerce setup wizard will launch automatically. This is crucial. Click Let's Go. To begin, the wizard will guide you through 4 key steps. First, set your store's location and currency. Second, choose your industry, like fashion or electronics. Third, select the product types you'll sell. Finally, you'll be prompted to set up essential pages like your shop, cart, and checkout. Click Continue to let WooCommerce create these pages for you. Complete the wizard and you'll land on your main WooCommerce dashboard. Your store's basic structure is now ready. And that's it. You've installed the plugin, activated it, and run the setup wizard to configure your store's foundation correctly. If this got your store started the right way, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.